Hi guys, and welcome back to the Content Edit. Today I'm going to share with you the number one thing that I was taught to help you when it comes to networking. Now when I'm talking about networking, I mean that real life networking situation. That if you're anything like me and you're a natural introvert and you love to stay at home and spend time on your own and you're not really always very confident with meeting new people, then this is a fantastic tip. And this was taught to me a couple of years ago, and I've always gone networking, whether I really wanted to or not. When I was younger, my mum used to take me to a lot of events with her, and it was weird, it was hard, it was really challenging. But what I found along the way is a lot of people feel like that, a lot of people don't like networking. But when it comes to building your own business and even your own blog, then getting out there and speaking to people in real life can make a massive difference. And it really can help make connections, make future collaborations. There's so many things, and one of the best bits is actually that you just meet people who are like you, who are wanting to grow their business, grow whatever it is that they're doing, that they're wanting to meet new people. You know, everybody's the same, and a lot of people do struggle with networking. I've been to events where people say they have to do like a meditation before they come in. They have to, you know, ring a friend and say, I'm going into this networking and I don't know what to say. So if you ever feel like that and you're in that networking situation, this is the number one thing that has worked for me time and time again, and this is what has stuck with me, is when you're going up to somebody and it's like maybe one or two people and you're like, oh my god, what if they know each other? What if they're in the middle of a deep conversation? What if they don't want to talk to me? Let me tell you, those things, they're probably very unlikely to be the case. Say, would it be okay if I join you? Simple sentence. Would it be okay if I join you? And that sentence has transformed my networking. I was at this really busy networking event. It was really intense, jam-packed. Everybody was having a good time and I was like on my own. And there was this man and a woman both chatting, and I thought, oh, they look friendly. I went up and talked to them and I said to them, would it be okay if I join you? And they both said this like most resounding yes, join us. Something that I've never experienced before at networking. And ever since then, if I've ever felt a little bit uncomfortable about networking, then that is the phrase that I use. And if you ever meet me at a networking event, there's a good chance I'm going to say that to you. As I said, networking can be so fantastic. It's been a really great value for me of growing my businesses, around getting myself known in the local business community as well, which can be really useful for, again, if you're running a business or even if you're running a blog. And if you're a blogger, then networking can be great because not many bloggers do it. So you're connecting with businesses who want to get their name out there. So remember that as a little extra tip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, remember to go out and shine both on and offline with your business and blog. Bye!